Well, and as promised, I'm just sharing a little bit more of Geelong at daytime. There's beautiful restaurants over there at the waterfront. Oh, this is so beautiful and so peaceful. Ah, so good for the heart and soul. Absolutely gorgeous. So you can have a few. You know, it's just really beautiful. And I'll have a little walk and share more with all of you. And I've made another video of, you know, the city. I don't know if I would chuck them all together, or maybe I'll put this one separate so you can see the city and you see the beach separate. That is cool. It's very, very peaceful here. I love that. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. I'm just taking in this gorgeous sun, the water, the sun shining in the water. This is it, my dear friends. Gorgeous, beautiful Geelong at daytime. Just gorgeous, just beautiful. I will wrap it up here. I don't want to be holding phone, but I wanted to share these with all of you. Have a good day. Bye bye.